Welcome back, guys. So this is the second part, that is the log file parser in the second part. In the previous part, we had seen the generate log function. So in this particular part, we'll be seeing view logs function. So all the other things are same, so I won't be repeating all the other things. If you have any doubts in the previous part, that is the generate log, you can just go to the previous part and check it out. So I'll just explain this particular view logs function in this. So first we open the file in the read-only mode. Then we have one string called line, one vector called log. So one string for line storing the particular line, and then one vector for storing all the lines. Now we read the entire logs one by one. We read all the logs one by one, and then we push it to the logs vector. So we take each and every line by line and then push it to the logs vector. Then we close the file. Now we check if the log is empty. If the logs file is empty, if it is empty, then we say no logs found. If it is not empty, if there is some content in that, then we print cout saying log entries. Then we iterate to each and every logs in that log vector. So from I equal to 0 to I less than size of that vector. So we will loop through first till the last of that entries from that vector, and then we print it saying log of 1, log of 0, this is log of 1 is this, log of 2 is this, and so on. So let me run the program. Yeah. So this time I'll enter 2, no logs found. So first I have to create a log. Log is created, 2. Okay, you can see what log is it. This is the time, this is the date, warning is that log, I mean the whatever it is called level, and the message is low memory warning. This is okay. So this is what warning which I had received. Alright, so let me enter one more log now. Now I'll enter 2 to display. Okay, 1540 error was file not found. Alright, so let me submit the program. I hope you guys have understood this. Alright, the test case have passed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.